Hey guys, for today's video, let's learn how to stop syncing your Facebook profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. Just follow these simple steps. First, open your Instagram. Go click your profile at the bottom left corner. And look for the three stripes menu. Go click your account and look for sharing other apps option. And of course, tap your Facebook account. And as you see here, I actually have this option. Currently, this is disabled. And what it allows me to do is, of course, disable the syncing of my profile photo between Facebook and Instagram. To prevent your profile image from being synced with both Facebook and Instagram, I want you guys to basically turn them off. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.